So today I wanted to share you about one of our students who got trained at Technologics in the field of industrial automation, and who have trained for about 3 months. Okay. And we had a lot of assessment tests, technical tests, projects, in this span of 3 months. And the last month, the students have attended the interview as well. So here is one of our students who have attended the interview and got a pretty good offer at Technologics. So just tell me about yourself.
My name is Jay Krishnan. I am from Calicut, Kerala. I completed my BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from PA College of Engineering, Mangalore. And later that, I did a project under Nidhi Prayas for a robotic bed to wheelchair device. And after that completion, I joined the Technologics with the reference of my batchmate Naushad. He's also working in PLC automation.
Yes.
And
He passed out, in fact, in 2021.
Yeah,
He
21.
got trained in 2021 and he got the offer.
Yes.
So through his offer, we got around, I think, somewhere close to 10 students.
Yes.
So one is among you.
Yes.
And the rest of the 9 students were actually pipelined with the
Yeah.
job offers.
And I was trying to coming with him only, but at that time only I got a project under Nidhi Prayas from central government. So I joined for that, and later I completed the project, and from Naushad reference only I came here for joining this course. Last 3 years, around 3 years, I was working on robotic field, like a robotic bed to wheelchair device, and I was more passionate in robotics and automation. So I joined in this PLC career actually.
Nice. Very, very exciting to hear.
Yes.
And can you just tell how was your overall experience at Technologics?
It was a great experience actually. Last July I joined in Technologics, and it was a 3 months course where we learned PLC programming, SCADA programming, HMI, and it was a great experience for me actually, because from here only I understood how to attend an interview, the basics that only 2020 only I passed out, and I was like, my basic electricals was very far away, but I regained from Technologics only. From here I got some like exams, around 100 questions exams was there. It was great actually. For my, I already attended around 7 interviews. In that 2 I got placed, and I chose the best one. Actually, first interview was actually not good for me. First 1 or 2 interviews was not good for me. After each and every interview, I will be coming here and I will be talking to Shakib sir or Shaib sir, or with Vinayak I will be talking about my experience. And basically, first of all, I should thank to Shaib sir and Shakib sir and Vinayak, especially because after every interview, I'll be calling Vinayak and ask what I should improve next time. And he only taught me how to, in which area you should focus, and that will make you perfect. And with your guidance, with the Technologics guidance, I got a good job, and very thankful to Technologics.
Very, very exciting to hear.
Sure.
We actually look forward you to connect to your
Sure, sir,
friends
sure.
and your circle who are actually passionate about working in this field.
Sure.
So, and also I wanted to wish you all the very best.
Thank you,
for
sir.
your future.
Thank
Thank
you,
you very much.
Thank
for your
Also,
wonderful review.
I need to tell to that young engineers that with like basic engineering, you will not get a very good job. You should train anywhere. Like I'm thinking that future will be automation, and I will suggest everyone PLC programming, SCADA, HMI, and also VLSI. If they are focused on embedded, they can do VLSI also. And for an electrical engineer, I choose the best as PLC programming, SCADA, and HMI. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.